Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to create an eBay account. First of all, open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and just type in www.ebay.com and hit the search. Now guys, you'll be taken to the official website of eBay. Now you'll be able to see sign in or register option which is at the top left corner of your screen. Just tap on the register option. Now on this page you can create a personal or your business account. If you want to create a business account, just go for the business. From over here you will be able to create a business account. For now I'm going for personal. Now on this page you just need to enter your first name and similarly enter the last name, email address, and over here you just need to create a strong password which has been at least one letter, a number, symbol or 8 character. Once you do that, just create personal account. Or guys, you can just continue with your Google account, Facebook account or your Apple account. For now, click on create personal account. Now on this section, just click on the check bar to verify yourself and solve the puzzle and just hit on the verify option. Over here, you just need to add your number and continue. The code has been sent to your number. Just enter the code over here. Now if you want to sign in with your face, PIN or fingerprint, just click on continue. For now I'm skip this. See guys, your account has been created as your name is shown at the top left corner. That's how you can create an account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.